Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 11. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got 5 here and 9 here, so this is our 1. That 9 makes this our 5, 9. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 6 here, so 3, 6. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 3. Oh, we're only missing a 2. For this row, we're missing 4 and 8. I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 3 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 9. But I don't see any other help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 3. That 9 makes this our 5, 9. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 4. That 5 makes this our 3, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 2 covering these 2 boxes, so our 2 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 8, and the only place the 4 can be is here. For this column, we've got we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 7 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so this is our 8, 5. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. That 4 makes this our 3, 4. That 3 makes this our 7, 3. That 7 makes this our 9, 7. For this column now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 1, 8. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.